Hi guys, Mayank this side, and today we are going to bust a common myth with respect to fats. आपने बहुत लोगों ने सुना होगा कि लोग बोलते हैं यार ज़्यादा घी मत खा, ज़्यादा बटर मत खा, मोटा हो जाएगा, या थ्रू दिस येलो पार्ट ऑफ द एग यू विल पुट ऑन वेट. सो इज इट ट्रू? Is there any relationship between dietary fat and body fat? So let's explore it, and before understanding it in much more depth, let's first talk about the calorific values of different macros. So as we are all aware that 1 gram of fat will fetch you 9 calories, 1 gram of protein will give you 4 calories, and 1 gram of carbohydrates or carbs will give you 4 calories. Now let's talk about TDE. As in previous videos, Dushyant and Bharat has spoken regarding TDE, that is total daily energy expenditure, or it is basically the amount of calories you are spending per day. It is based on your age, gender, height, weight, your activity level, and many more things. So this maintenance calories is the calorie which you are spending per day to maintain your body weight. So if you are eating above your maintenance calories, it is called calorie surplus. In this, you will gain weight. If you are eating less than your maintenance calories, you will lose weight. That is called calorie deficit. So for example, if an individual is having 3600 calories as his maintenance calories or TDEE, then and he is consuming 400 grams of fat. So 400 grams of fat will akin to 3600 calories. So he is eating equal to his maintenance calories. So in that case, even though he is completely eating fat, will he gain weight? And if the same individual is consuming 900 grams of carbs, then also 900 grams will akin to 3600 calories. In that case, will he gain weight or not? Because in both the cases, either he is consuming 400 grams of fat or he is consuming 900 grams of carbohydrates. In both the cases, he is eating equal to his maintenance calories, that is 3600 calories. So gentlemen, in both the cases, ideally he should not gain weight, because until and unless he is eating more than his maintenance calories, irrespective of the macros which he is consuming, he will not gain weight. If he consumes anything above 3600 calories, either in form of fat or carbohydrate or protein, it will be added upon, or it will be stored as a fat in his body if it is not utilized. So from this we understand that eating fat does not have direct implications on your body fat. However, if you are eating anything, is it fat, protein, carbohydrates, over and above your maintenance calories, then it will be added in your body as fat, and that will further relate to your body fat percentage. For a matter of fact, if you guys have heard about keto diet, in keto diet, excluding the standard protein intake, rest more than about 95% of the calories comes from fat, and hardly up to 5% of the calories come from carbohydrates. Had it been the case कि अगर fat खाने से लोग मोटे हो जाते, तो keto wouldn't have been successful at all, because keto is majorly fat consuming diet technique. For a matter of fact, fat is the most important macros which one must consume for your survival. You can live without protein, you can live without carbohydrates, but without fat, survival is difficult. That's why the recommended percentage of fat in your total calorie should be around 20 to 30%. It is responsible for a lot of things in your body, right from absorption of fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, and production of hormones, and many more things in your body. So I hope with this video, this misconcept of eating fat will lead to increase in body fat, you must have cleared. If you have any doubts or queries or comments, please do message. Rest. All the best. Have a good time.